Hi, my name is Adams. I'm a student of Forex for Beginners Family by Saad Ali. I get I came to know about this program through a friend on Telegram. So he introduced me to Saad Ali platform and immediately I enrolled and began taking my own course. I want to say Mr. Saad Ali is an exceptional teacher. He teaches the concept of Forex in a simple manner where anybody can easily understand. I've learned through him support and resistance, how to accurately identify support and resistance, how to draw trend lines, how to use the Fibonacci retracement tools, how to do top-down analysis right from the monthly time frame up to the 15-minute time frame. Also, there is also a private student group where charts are being posted and you have corrections and other family members will also tell you where you are wrong or where you get it right. I would recommend Mr. Sad Ali's Forex for Beginners Family to anyone who is interested in learning about Forex. Thanks.